Woo! What's up with y'all? Y'all already know what it is, bro. This your boy BCP Intro, but we doing something different today, bro. We usually coming in with the gameplay videos, but today we gonna come in with the PC building videos. Now, none of this is no high-end shit, you heard me. So look, how about y'all meet me back here after the intro?
Why the grease warm up? That was stupid.
So let's go down a list of what we working with, man. Let me get this off here because it's not needed. It is not needed. All right. So this case is just like a cheap little case I got off of Amazon. I got it because it already came with 2 RGB fans, right? And I wanted some type of RGB going on since it's gonna be a budget build. And hey, it was cheap. I think it was like maybe $40 or something, like something in that range, you know. I didn't know it was gonna be that small, so hopefully the motherboard can fit in as well as the power supply. But yeah, man, it's cool, pretty good, you know, PC case, you know, nothing major, you know what I'm saying? Next, we got this CPU. Now this CPU is the same CPU I had in my previous build. I'm not upgrading that yet. I'm just taking it a couple steps at a time, you know what I'm saying? But this is, as you can see, a Pentium Gold. What is it, a G6400? Yeah. And the socket is LG A1200. Right here is the power supply. It is also RGB. It looks pretty good. So by it being RGB, it forced me to use the fan on it as an intake instead of an exhaust. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna be producing much heat with this, bro. Next up, we have the motherboard, of course, the mother of everything right here. I have to look at the name because I think it's by GIGABYTE or something like that, I believe. I'm not sure. Or AORUS, I don't know who the hell it is. It has some good specs. It has USB 3.2. USB-C and you know, a lot of good specs with it. But look, later for that, man. We gonna get into that later. Right here, we have the graphics card that was gifted to me from Jeff's Method, man. So shout out to him. Yeah, he gave me this. This is a 1050 Ti, and it gets the job done. You heard me. The one I bought for myself was a 1030. So you know, we have the CPU cooler, the CPU fan, and it is also RGB. Like I said, bro, I'm new to this, so I want to see some pretty RGB going on around this thing, you hear me? And you know, nothing too major, bro, just a little cooler, you know what I'm saying? Right here, we have our RAM. Now this RAM is being carried over from my previous build, and it's just Vengeance DDR4. Altogether, this is 32 gigs, yeah, 32 gigs. This is not RGB, of course, but it can be overclocked to 3600 megahertz. So I probably won't be going nowhere near that, maybe 32, but this CPU can't really, you know, handle that. But yeah, we gonna see what happened though, you know what I'm saying? Next up, we have my external SSD, which is a Samsung T-Shield, T7 Shield to be exact. I think, is it 2 gigs or is it 1? I mean, is it 2 terabytes or 1 terabyte? I believe it's 1 terabyte, maybe 2, I don't know. Next, we have the main SSD, the internal SSD, which Windows will be running off of. This is a A870 Evo 1 terabyte Samsung as well. If I'm getting these, I'm not good at words and shit, so y'all know what this is, bro. It's an internal SSD. But yeah, bro, I run my games and all that shit off of here, my programs, and it's pretty fast, you know. I'm gonna upgrade to a NVMe sooner or later, you know what I'm saying? You know, we just starting off. I also have an actual hard drive that I was backing up everything on, but I'm gonna give that to my son when I build his PC, so that's coming up too. And I'm just gonna, you know, let him get that for now. But yeah, bro, I think we covered everything that's up here, man. Yeah. So let's get into the video. All right, y'all, it's time to get into this PC build, man. Look, I am so excited. I had some shit that happened the first time I tried to build one. I had some shit with a defective motherboard, but we about to do this again, and we about to do it on camera, man. So look, let's go ahead and get these let's go ahead and get these. I guess we're not getting them off. So let's go ahead and get this case open, man. Let's see what we're working with. I shouldn't have to get a real screwdriver. I shouldn't have to. But you never know though. You never know, because, you know, I'm not the luckiest man alive. You see what I'm saying? I just literally lost my damn screwdriver for the security. All right, there we go. Go ahead and get this off here. Straight like that, you know. And don't mind my hands, bro. Like I said, I didn't want to put any lotion on. Like I always say, I don't want to put any lotion on while I'm working on stuff like this, bro. I don't want to take no chances, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So we got those off. We're gonna set them over here to the side. I need to get some alcohol because I do have to clean this CPU off. But we're gonna worry about that when it's time for that. We'll move this over here. We're gonna just, there we go. There we go. Look at that. It's basic as hell, man. So we got a intake fan here. Is it exhaust or intake? I can't. I'm sorry, y'all. That's exhaust. Got some screws sitting up here. Go ahead and want to make sure all the plastic components that don't need to be in here are not in here. You know what I'm saying? Get that out of there. Bam. Okay. So we got, for our front I/O and stuff, we got the cables for that. Power switch, reset switch, power LED, power LED, and power drive LED. So we got all that right here. So we already see what the case working with, man. We got a fan up in here too also. So now let's get out our motherboard, man, and start putting everything we need in it. We're gonna move this case to the side. We're gonna slide our motherboard right here. I'll be right back because I have to go wipe off this CPU. There we go. This one I'm talking about. Man, I gotta make this work, bro. Like, I have no other choice, man. I don't got money just to blow on PCs, man. What the hell is this stuff? Like, what the? So before I do any of that, let's see if I can get this into this case. There's really no way. Oh, guys, it can fit, but I don't know how the power supply gonna fit in here. God dang it. All right, let me move this out the way. I'll put this right here. And now let's see. Bam. Unless I have to take the fan out. But let's say I do get it in here. The damn, bruh, this case is not meant for this at all. Cause where's the rear I/O gonna go? I got this case for nothing. Cause the rear I/O shield is supposed to go here. But that's if you got a smaller motherboard. And it's crazy because the other cases and stuff I was looking for, I was looking at the numbers of, you know, what sizes can fit in it, and for some reason I just looked at the price of this one, and this is apparently what I get, man. So I guess I'll try to take this fan off and just try to put it back once I get the motherboard in, if I get it in. This is crazy. Because that CPU is not CPU, shit. That power supply is not gonna go in there like that, man. Don't worry, bro. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna nigga rig it some kind of way. Cause I'm not waiting on another case and none of that and returning and all that stuff, man. Okay, so it fits in, like it can work, but it's like the power supply, it's not gonna fit in there like this, man. Like, you see what I'm saying? That is not gonna work, man. Okay, I can always cut this off, right? I can cut this off. So let's put this all the way as far as we want it to go, which would be like right there. Bam. Power supply though, because it can't just be sitting on the damn. This is about to be so bootleg, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this CPU in. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get that CPU in. You feel me? Okay, so we have our CPU. Only has 2 cores, 4 threads, nothing major. But we gonna make it happen though. You know what I'm saying? So first thing we're gonna do is take this off. Gotta remove this. I don't appreciate them. But what did they do? They must want me to break this. They must want me to break this. I see no other reason for them to. Damn Amazon.
Yeah, but in the summertime you didn't work. You only fit.
There we go. We got it, folks. We got it. All right.
Let's see.
A CPU.
Yeah.
Slide that bad boy.
What a bad boy.
Yeah, like that. All right, it's in. It's so satisfying, huh, son?
Yes, it is. Because it's cold.
My son is in here, y'all, so y'all bear with me. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and close that like so. Bam. Now we gotta get our thermal paste, which I have no. Oh, here it is. Had it in this right here, so we're gonna get our thermal paste out. Bam. Straight like that. Shit. Well, that's not nice. Look at that. All right. I like to do the cross method. Right there. Come on now. Well, damn. It's all moist. Come on now. Yeah, this is gonna spread like fire, but it's cool. It's cool. We work on what we can work with, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's put on our RGB fan. This is gonna be beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Okay, let me stop playing. All right, let's get this shit on here, man. Yeah, but this is actually fun, man. Hopefully I didn't damage any pins because I was kind of struggling trying to get this back plate on. Let's install our RAM. We definitely got to get that RAM installed, so we're gonna plug this CPU fan up. And I'm very heavy-handed, so I'll be having to be careful. That's all. I'll be having to be careful, man. Okay. All right, got the RAM in there. Put our other channel. All the crazy stuff is done. Found a way to nigga rig it to the case, you know what I'm saying? So now we just gotta see if we can make this happen, you feel me? So first we're gonna line this up. And what I'm gonna do is, because the power supply is not gonna go in here, I'm gonna have to have it on the outside, but tomorrow I will get a new case and transfer everything over to that case, and we should be good. I'm just using this case just to complete this build, but like I said, man, I will have a new case tomorrow, and I'm gonna get this case to my son, and hopefully everything gonna be all right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. I was like, I gotta do this video. I gotta get this PC built because I want to use my damn PC. Tired of using the old crap. So I'm like, you know what? This is my solution. All right, let me stand up for this. Should we get that in there? I guess not. Why is it not? What I might do is, I got some longer screws I can use. I might just use those. Let me see if I can find them first. That's always the hard part, finding them. Let's see, are they in here? Yes, they are. In here the whole time, ain't that something? Sit that right there. Okay. Now I can switch bits. Bam. And it's just to hold it in place. I don't need it to, you know, be all the way in there. I just want it to be have some type of support. At least at this part, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to make it push down or nothing like that. And I might just leave it with just that one. Cause like I said, man, this is getting changed. So why make it hard? You know what I'm saying? Why make it hard on myself? You know? This one probably not even gonna go in, but like I said, it's no big deal. Yeah, that's not going in. We just gonna remove that. Okay, that works, man. That works. That works. Next up, let's get our GPU in because I'm good time to be playing games. You feel me? Now this is gonna be a hassle. This actually goes here. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some more nigga rigging. So, let me see from here to here. Damn, I had to cut through the whole damn. Not really. So I'm just gonna cut that area out. So let me get a measurement again. I wish I had my big ones, man. I don't know what it is. Every time I need something, I can't find the damn shit, you heard me? Like, that's crazy when you can't find it. Alright, this is so bootleg. Good thing I'm getting another case because this ain't gonna work. Alright, it's like the best we can do. I forgot to cut the damn top part off. Shit! Don't try this at home, y'all. That's what happens when you get the wrong case, man. Well, I was bamboozled, but I'm gonna take it on the chin. You know, right, so that's just how this is gonna have to be. At least for now. Still have room for the graphics card for my son and power supply. I'll make it work. Okay, we got that in. Now we have nothing to attach it to for more support. But let's see what we can pull off, man. We don't give up over here, man. I were to. Oh, that's all I gotta do? Hold on. Say less. Say less. Nah, that's not gonna work. How much sag is gonna have? Let's see. Man, it's not that bad, but it's still sag, so. We can use this 2-edge under it. I don't know why I bent it, because I forgot that metal can't contact the bracket at least. Shit ain't working. It ain't working, boss.
So what you seeing is me hooking up the front I/O and all that type of shit. I hooked up the SATA SSD. I just want to say that I have to take this on the chin because I was being cheap. You know what I'm saying? I was looking at cases and looking at the dimensions to make sure they match my motherboard, blase blase. When this price popped up for this one, I just went with it and I totally forgot to look at that, you know what I'm saying? I just want to say this build has been insane. Like, I can't even believe how it went. I'm just nigga rigging everything because I'm like, I gotta get this done. I'm ready to use my PC, you know what I'm saying? And that's what happens, bro. So yeah, right here I'm hooking up the front IO and shit like that. And I was planning on just leaving the power supply hanging out, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I was getting a new case that next day, so it was just for the video and just so I can use my PC. Also, I'm doing this voiceover after my second build, so I got a second build that's gonna drop after this one, and that one actually turned out pretty decent. It actually ended up very decent, but yeah, I just had to go ahead and drop this one, bro. So right now I'm putting the cover back on to see if, you know, it's gonna boot up or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I forgot to take the plastic off, you know what I'm saying? Look at how this case is made, bro. Look at what I done to it at that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just removing the cover, put that shit on there, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't even enjoy removing the cover because I just wanted to have my shit working, bro. I just wanted my shit to work. So yeah. Now here goes the big reveal. I'm sitting there looking stupid. Look at my hands, y'all. You can tell I got working hands. But yeah, I don't know if y'all seen the power supply, but yeah, that's not good. I also checked the power supply to make sure the power supply worked, and it does. That sucks. So now I'm just sitting there looking stupid because I'm like, what the hell? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And not to mention, this is not the first build I try to do. This is the second. The first one, I had it working, and I didn't record it, but I had it working, and the motherboard was shorting out because of the case I had. So that's the whole reason I got this case, because the other case wasn't, you know what I'm saying? I left the standoffs in the wrong places, and it was just crazy, bro. But you live and you learn, man. You live and you learn. And I'm just sitting here like, man, what is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, I had no clue. And I'm just messing with this damn power supply. I'm sitting there like, see, I got this damn RGB power supply and it's bullshit. And you know what I'm saying? Like, all type of shit was going through my head. But y'all stay tuned, bro. I got a better build coming, bro. It's gonna turn out better than this. Y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all subscribe. And y'all stay looking out, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's been your boy BCP, man, with a PC build, bro. I'm out this bitch.